Oh, solar powered boats? Never knew this. It's a vodka. Oh my god. Oh, hello people of the internet, and today I'm at Hua Longpong train station. Yeah, I'm not going on trains. I tricked you again with my big brain. We're actually going on a boating trip. Here is the pier behind me, and I'm actually going on my first ever electric boat ride. Oh, solar powered boats? Never knew this. Yeah, the boat started moving and we're on our way. See you once I'm at my destination. Got off the boat at กระทรวงพลังงาน Pier, or basically the Ministry of Energy. And we're gonna be walking from here to Yose. Closed. So yeah, I think I'm going to another area with food that's selling in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna go find another area and find food. I found a shop. They're actually closed, but I went and asked them, and they said I could buy ice cream even though they're closed. So can I please have the menu, please? Here you go. Okay, let me see. We got vodka. It's a vodka. Oh my god. I would like chocolate brownie and pink milk. Okay, so you want pink milk and chocolate brownie. Coming right up. So here is your ice cream. Thank you. Start eating. I have both of my ice cream here, so let's start with the chocolate brownie. Good packaging. Ice cream feels soft and delicious. Feels good, not too hard, not too soft. It's like perfect. It's just how I imagined it. With 10 out of 10. Next, it's the pink milk. Feels soft like chocolate, just like the chocolate. Has good texture. Good softness. I just love the way it crumbles in my mouth. It just melts instantly. Tastes really like pink milk. Ice cream that I'm eating is actually exclusive because I got to eat here without the restaurant even opening. If you want to have more entertainment, you can come at in the evening tonight around 6 to 7 p.m. There will be some sort of show. I don't know what show it is, but I think it might include fire. See you once I finish enjoying this ice cream. Bye. Yeah, it ended up all those shops in the street is closed, but luckily I got ice cream from one of the famous shops. They decided to sell it to us, but not in full-fledged, beautiful night show form thing. They just put in a little cup that you would get at 7-Eleven. So yeah, gonna go find another area with food. See you once I'm there. Yeah, I think I just found a restaurant. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go eat it. It's a really basic restaurant, so yeah. แล้วก็เปอเปี๊ยะทอดนะครับ so my food is here this is appetizer it's sort of like wonton you sort of go hello Jim from the future here and I would like to say that back then I forgot the English term fried spring rolls so it's actually not fried wonton it's actually fried spring rolls bye so let me eat it without dipping the sauce really good it's crunchy has good flavor inside and now time for the dipping sauce dip it in put it out again the sauce really good perfect sweetness just a bit too spicy for me the main course and here's my main course it's noodles with snow let's first start with the wonton it's just flour meat wrapped with flour I think this is pork wonton and it has really good flavor good texture it's slippery and this is just the perfect softness this it's like a bit chewy but like the right amount it also gives a little bit of crunch we have the noodles itself also very good that's it for this noodle review so let me enjoy my food bye so I just finished eating and this restaurant is really good very cheap only 3 to 4 US dollars or about 110 baht and the location it's a corner of the main Song Street where we'll go next just keep watching the video yeah so yeah after I finished eating, I found this cafe right behind me. I found it easily because it's really beautiful. So I recommend you come here to know the food just that I've never been there before. Meet you inside. Once I'm inside that building.
รอฝั่งนั้นนะ
ขอเคหะใส่อีกทีครับแล้วก็เค้กบลูเบอร์รี่ชีสเค้กครับ so my food is here so yeah let's first start with the blueberry cheesecake cut it down really good the cheese is soft has great texture the crust just crumbles in your mouth great sauce, blueberry, also very great. Again, this is super crunchy. Recommend. Blueberry also great, juicy. Flavors of it come out a lot. Next is the Thai tea. We've got cream on the top, the white stuff. Right. Also very good. Tastes a lot like Thai tea, which it is good quality, feels like milky, really good. So I just finished all of my food. It was really great. The prices for me it's 245 baht or around $8 to $9. So I would say for you guys cheap, but for us Thais I would say this is more on the expensive side. And if you want to come around this area, recommend you come during the evenings because most of the shops are open at that time. There's not much to do in the morning, but in the evening I don't have time. I have to go somewhere, do homework and all those stuff. But in the evening I don't have time. I have to go somewhere, do homework and all those stuff. Like and subscribe and bye. Pew pew. Pew pew, you die now.